Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID email and having a trusted device ready for verification. This saves time and avoids lockouts. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, or use Appleid. Apple.com if you prefer a browser. Once done, make sure you can receive a verification code on a trusted device or phone number. You'll need it immediately. Now navigate to Password and Security to begin the actual password change. This is where authentication and form entry happen. Tap Password and Security, then select Change Password. You must enter your device passcode first to prove it's you. If asked, request and enter the verification code sent to a trusted device or number. This two-factor step prevents unauthorized changes. Next, type a strong new password. Aim for at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing. Once you enter the new password and confirm it, press Change or Save. You'll see a confirmation that the password was updated. After the password change, update every device and app that uses your Apple ID. This includes Apple Music, iCloud, and Mail, so services reconnect smoothly. If an app asks, sign out and sign back in with the new password. On iOS, you may be prompted automatically. Make sure password managers and family members who use shared services are updated. If you get locked out or can't receive codes, start account recovery at Appleid. Apple.com or use the Recover Account option. This is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.